Welcome to your next challenge.
Okay.
Goodness. Should I shut the door, I guess? Has my time started?
Not yet. Hello again.
Hello.
Am I already being timed?
No.
It's a rabbit. And airplanes.
Am I supposed to try and get these in the hole without touching the grass?
I'm not being timed yet, am I?
No.
I got the fancy one. Sweet.
These seals are too good, Chris. Once again. Get a paper airplane inside the bucket.
You may not move the bucket.
You may not move the bucket and may not step off the path while outside.
Fastest time wins. Your time starts now.
Fastest time wins. Your time starts now. Okay.
Fastest time wins. Your time starts now. Aw. What kind of airplanes are these?
Cannot move the bucket. Hey, Chris, I have a request. Can you move the bucket over here?
No!
I have a feeling a lot of people didn't get one in. Unless I'm just missing something obvious.
If someone actually got it within the 3, I am really proud of them.
Step off the path. So that means no, that's probably not. Okay, I can panic, or I can do something here. What is this? Is there a bucket inside?
The light.
I can't get more paper if you want.
I don't know. I think I just gotta try. Hope for the best. That's not going to work. How do I not step off? See if there's something long.
Actually, does it have to stay as a paper airplane?
Don't know, Chris. Why do you do this to me? Okay. I know it.
Airplane. Maybe I should try underhand.
See if this works. It's still technically a paper airplane.
You know what I said to this?
That was pretty close.
It's a paper ball.
Do you want more paper?
Need more paper.
Okay, go outside. Go inside.
This is the most wasteful thing for paper. Almost got on that rebound.
Sorry, Kevin.
This person's like, what the heck is going on? Oh!
Taskmaster, your task sucks.
It's not in there anymore. Get one in the bucket. I can go inside. Can I climb on the roof?
I'm gonna say no for safety reasons.
Oh, well. I don't know how to fold an paper airplane, you guys. So those are the paper airplanes, right?
Yes.
So these aren't paper airplanes. Do they have to be shaped like an airplane?
It says get a paper airplane inside.
So get a paper plane inside the bucket. You may not. Let's see.
Fastest time wins 2 times race. Get a paper airplane inside the bucket.
I need something to get the bucket. Okay.
Also, when it says you may not step off, as long as I'm touching, does it count?
You may not step off.
So as long as my feet are on here, it's okay.
Does that count for not stepping off the bucket? Yeah.